ngayon, pupunta kami sa Talaudong. Sa may Bakungan area siya. Malapit lang siya sa city actually. It's 30 to 45 minute drive. And kung nakikita niyo sa ibang vlog, malapit din siya sa Nagtamon. So, see you there!
Going north nga pala itong Talaudong. And madadaanan na dito yung papuntang Nagtabon Beach. And konting tip, medyo masigsag yung dadaanan. And if mahiluhin ng passenger, you know what to do guys. Bonamin lang yan. By the way, this is not a paid ad. For drivers, extra careful cause may mga nahuhulog na bato galing sa bundok at minsan may mga bumabagsak na bundok. Along the way, meron ng madadaanan na overlooking view. Dadaan kasi sa bundok, then pababa for the beach area. And we're here sa Pakpaklawin, Talaudong. Upon entry, dadaan dito and do the registration. Bring your own ballpen guys. It's good practice ngayong pandemic. Chill lang yung vibe. Hindi rin mabato yung beach. Hindi rin masyadong rough yung waves unlike sa Nagtabon. That's why it's an okay choice for a quick beach getaway. That's it. Thanks for watching guys. Stay safe.